friends, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is Mike.
Howdy.
And today, guys, I wanted to show you like a quick recipe of making your own breadcrumbs dust. Okay, not breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, but like this. In powder. You see, this one is seasoned. But what I want to do, you know that everybody in their house has, you know, your sandwich bread. White bread, brown bread, it doesn't matter. But the ones that is like this, so what you do is you just cut the edges. And so I don't, you know, waste my bread, I decided to make club sandwiches with these that I'm taking off. So what you do is you take all this off the edges, just like this, very easy. Don't press too hard, because if you press too hard, you're gonna mush your bread. You don't want to do that. We're gonna use this bread for something else. You can use it for whatever you want. Okay, so what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take these. You can put them in a pan like this or in a tray. And you want to season this. If you want breadcrumbs, that is, they're not seasoned, you don't put anything. But if you want them seasoned like way back, just like this stuff comes out, but I'm talking you making your own. You can put salt, pepper, paprika, whatever seasoning you want to put, because that's gonna you're gonna pass it when you wrap whatever it is that you're breading with. So what I do is, I'm gonna put a drop of olive oil here like this. Okay, guys? And I'm gonna take my brush, and it cannot go, you don't want it to go like directly, just like on one piece, and this is hard for you to put it like all over the place. But the only reason I'm putting this is because this is gonna help it toast.
That's right.
And I'm not gonna bake it there. I'm gonna put it in this big scratched up thing that I have here. This other tray is okay, but you know, it's a good tray. I'm gonna put all this bread here, and I am going to put it all over the place.
Spread it out.
Spread it out. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 400, which I already have it on 400, because I have some food in there that I'm making for dinner. So I'm gonna put it in there for like 10-15 minutes. Keep an eye on it, you know, and when you see them that they're all brown and toasty, you'll see. I'm gonna take them out. You'll see it back when I get back. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this here. It's on 400, right on the top shelf, you know, and I'm going to time it for 15 minutes. But I am gonna get, you know what, I'm gonna, 15. It might be 10 minutes, depending on how your oven, some ovens in some people's houses get hotter. You know, stoves are different, a couple of degrees here and there, but just keep an eye on it, because it's very, very, is the edges of this bread that I took off, and that is gonna dry real quick. So don't forget to subscribe, just keep an eye on it. I'm turning even my light on my oven so I can see them. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Guys, so I'm gonna take those breadcrumbs out, and we're gonna cool it off, okay? And we'll be right back after it's nice and cool. Okay, so here we're back. This is cool already. So what I did was I took a Ziploc bag. I bought these Ziploc bags with no ties anyway. So put a bag, put it in your plastic bag, and then I put, you see, all my edges from the bread in here. And then I'm gonna come over here. And of course, I'm gonna make sure that, see, there's plenty of air. I mean, all the air comes out of the bag, so it doesn't. And then with, what do you call this, Mike? I keep on forgetting. And then with your mallet, Michael bought me this one. Because the last one that I had, it was a wood one, guys.
And I threw it out.
And he threw it out. And then I'm like, hey, where's my mallet? He's like, Mama, it was wood. So that wood was kind of like, pieces of wood could go inside whatever you were malleting, like whether it was chicken or steak or pork, you know, or turkey. So this is how you guys make your own breadcrumbs. Now, remember, I only put a little bit of olive oil, so it's not that dry. I didn't put any salt. You can always add salt and pepper, garlic powder, whatever tasting you want. I'd rather do it like this, because what I'm gonna do, I like them plain. I'm gonna put these in a mason jar. I'm just gonna hammer a little bit more on the other side to make sure that everything, see, is nice, and you don't want to do it that hard because you don't want to pop your bag, remember that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in a mason jar that I got out. Where's my mason jar? Right here. I got this one out. I'm going to save them in here. And when I need them then, see that little piece there? Then when I need them, I am going to use them, right? So you put the whole thing like that so it can, right? And slowly, they're going to start coming out of the bag, okay? Filling that bag. Took this because I knew this was exactly what it's going to take. And then whenever I bread my my cutlets, you see, look how pretty it came out, guys, see? And you have your own breadcrumbs. I can add up salt on it before I wrap it with anything. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. There's just a little thing that you guys can learn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on YouTube, on Pinterest, and if you want to donate, you can go to patreon.com. The link is right below. Click on it and it will take you there. And with that, I'll let you go. Let's love each other, don't drink and drive, and I hope you guys can use this and learn how to do it. It's very easy. Just follow the instructions and it'll get you right there, just like this one. There you go. Thanks for watching.